Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tapfiliate affiliate software for tracking performance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type tapfiliate.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Fill in the required fields to set up your account. After filling in your details, check for any verification email from Tapfiliate. Open the verification email and follow the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Tapfiliate website. Log in using the email and password you set up earlier. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the section related to the software download. You may find a link or button that says download or install. Click on that link to start downloading the Tapfiliate software. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, open the Tapfiliate software. Log in with your registered email and password. Now, you are ready to set up your affiliate tracking system. Explore the features available to optimize your performance tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.